I'm Rocky.
And I'm Bobby.
No, we're no experts, but we know what we like, right?
That's right.
We like good food, tasty food, delicious food that's easy to cook with as little mess as possible. Like these super simple wings here. All right, Bobby, I'm going to show you and everyone else my favorite method to making these hot wings with a healthy twist.
And what is that healthy twist, Rocky?
Well, it's kind of been my secret for a while, but I'll tell you. I do not fry these.
Really?
Yeah, I steam them and then I broil them.
Well, they look amazing. I can't wait to try
so
them.
Good. No. Wait. No. Before you try them, let me actually show you how I make them.
Okay, well, let's not waste any more time. Let's get cooking.
Let's do it. So the first thing you need to make wings is wings. I get these at the grocery store in the meat department. I prefer to buy them fresh. You can get them frozen, but I prefer fresh and pre-cut. I don't want to waste time thawing them out and then hacking at them if they're not pre-cut. I just want to get to cooking and partying. So the next thing you need is flavor. And how do you get flavor? From herbs and spices and salt and pepper. So I have a cabinet full of herbs and spices, so I could just mix up my own mix if I wanted to, but I want to save time. So you can buy a pre-mixed seasoning at the grocery store. This stuff is called 21 Seasoning Salute. It's got a variety of 21 herbs and spices, but it doesn't include salt. I want to control my own salt intake and also salt the wings to taste. So I have salt and pepper here. And then finally some wing sauce. So a few things that I need to make these wings are my trusty tongs that I use to handle the chicken throughout the process, move things around. I've got this cookie sheet that I've lined with foil for easy cleanup because I don't want to spend any more time than I need to cleaning up. I've got a cooling rack which nestles right into the cookie sheet. This is what we use for broiling the chicken to get that scrumptious, crispy texture that we love. But before we broil, we're going to steam the chicken wings. And I do that in my Instant Pot by using just a regular steaming basket that goes right into the pot. And by steaming the chicken first, we get that real tender, fall off the bone meat that we love. So to start, I pour my water into my Instant Pot, and then I just add a regular steaming rack. Wash and dry your chicken the way you normally wash and dry your chicken. Afterward, place it in a large bowl. I don't use any oil. I just sprinkle on my seasoning, my salt, and my pepper the way I like it. So I said earlier, seasoning and flavor is up to you. You do it the way you like it. I'm showing you the way I like to do it. Once seasoned, I toss the chicken around to coat. If I notice spots that don't have seasoning, or I just think it needs a little more, I put on more seasoning, and then I toss it till I think it looks good. After seasoning and tossing the wings, I place them in my Instant Pot. Then I put the cover on, make sure to lock it. I press manual and I set it for 10 minutes. These look great. I think we're almost to the finish line. So after steaming, I place the wings on the cooling rack on top of the cookie sheet. I make sure not to overcrowd them so it makes turning them over a lot easier. Now it's time to cook with fire. I like to set the cookie sheet about 8 inches underneath the broiler. I broil the chicken about 5 minutes on each side, but I make sure to keep a constant watch on it because I don't want it to burn. So after the first 5 minutes, I carefully pull the cookie sheet out, and then I turn each piece. I put it back in for another 5 minutes. Now, keep an eye on it. You can make them crispier or less crispy, it's up to you. Once they look as crispy as I like them, I pull them out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. Then I toss them in a sauce or serve them naked for dipping. See, it's super simple. It's so easy to make these wings with a healthy twist.
Yeah, it's super easy.
And the thing is, like, now that you know my healthy twist, you can add your own style to it. Experiment. Go crazy. You can do all kinds of sauces with these. Today I chose the hot sauce and the ranch dressing because I like to get my double dip on. And the other thing is, when I make these, I make like 2 to 4 pounds. So there's tons of leftovers. So you can have them for dinner, you can have them for lunch the next day. You could make the whole batch for a party or a picnic.
Or whatever. I just want to start eating.
Well, I don't know what you've been waiting for. Dig in already.
Okay.
All right, you go first.
Okay, well, if you say so. Oh, that is amazing, Rocky.
Really?
So good. It's
Really?
like one of the best wings I've ever had.
All right, let
If
me
not
see.
The best.
Oh my god. That's
So
really
flavorful.
good.
The flavor's in the meat. It's everywhere.
It's really crispy.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Good job.
I could watch myself eat wings all day.
Me too.
Well, let's just keep doing it.
You have any more? Is this going to be enough?
I think there's like 3 or 4 more pounds in the oven right now.
I might need another pound for myself. Yum. Thanks,
I'm
Rocky.
glad you like them.
Very good. Thumbs up.
Thanks, everybody. Please make sure you comment below and subscribe to We're No Experts by hitting subscribe. And please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Until next time, bye!